Linking your bank account to Branch EO is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create a Branch account. Visit the Branch EO website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the option labeled Bank Account or Payment Methods to start the linking process. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. Provide the necessary bank information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Branch EO may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Branch into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully linked to Branch EO. You can now manage your transactions and finances more efficiently.